Today, I'm going to break the fire alarms. Ha 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 ha.
I wanted to know about Padawan. You could have probably been telling me you're safe. I just would have known that nothing happened to you because I wasn't really that far.
Let's go, Wreck-It Ralph. You are coming to my classroom this instant to have a talk.
You still haven't told me why you're here. You said you'll investigate me.
Olivia, are you kidding me? Breaking the fire alarms is illegal. You can't know we can get sent to jail. You know what I'm going to do?
I think I gotta tell you something.
I'm going to expel you from this school. No, you're not. I'm going to cut your voice box out. Olivia, put the knife down.
I found out that she was adopted.
After you cut my voice box, I'm calling your parents. Get out of this school right now.
Fine, stupid teacher.
You're great, bro.
I meant to say principal's office. And I meant to say call the principal.
Why are you here?
Olivia, what is it, Mrs. Coley? Olivia, are you kidding me? Breaking the security cameras, breaking the fire drills and cutting out your teacher's voice box. Your teacher was calling me Gah! You know that? I'm calling your parents and you are expelled for 2 years. No! Oh, whoa. Olivia, how dare you do cutting out the teacher's voice box and pulling the fire alarms? That's it. We'll send you to jail for 2 years. Hello? Is police? Yeah. Our daughter Olivia just pulled the fire alarms. Can you please arrest this girl? Thank you. Bye-bye. The police is coming to you in jail.
I'm on my own.
Come here, Olivia. You are arrested for
I get our cell phone.
suing in school.
I get pissed too.
You'll be staying here for 2 years. I have wished you learned your lesson.